Into eziningi lezenzakalayo la eMzansi. A lot of shit are happening like South Africa, dog. Recently. So, here's the story, right? The Springbok has decided to open a fucking store. Like a clothing store, a retail store. Meanwhile, this story is crazy. Sometimes I used to think that Springbok or SA Rugby is owned by the government, right? It's administrated by the government, what. And then I've realized that how? Okay, first of all, SA Rugby is an organization group, right? Okay, sharp. Now, what I came to realize about khona company efikile yathenga SA Rugby, but then it only bought like 20%. An American company came in South Africa and buy 20% of SA Rugby. What's the name of the company? ASG whatsoever. I don't even know the abbreviation. I don't even want to know. But the fact that an American company can just come in our country and buy our national fucking team. Now they are even opening a store. This makes me wonder. Is SA Rugby even that big as we thought? Or is just a business? Did we even win that cup or did we buy it? Mhlambe basenzela umusa nje ile bayicabangayo. Like, how come? Just remember, Bafana Bafana is owned by a company that is here in South Africa. I don't mind SA Rugby being privatized, stuff like that. But why should we let an outside company buy shares into our national rugby team? Because iqala kanjalo ngisho. Yafika le engiyithenga i-20%. Nini omunye naye uzofika wathi ufuna ama-shares bamnika i-20%. Nini we no longer even owning the fucking national rugby team. Like, what the fuck, guys? What the fuck? How on earth does a national rugby team own a fucking store? The reason it owns a fucking store is because the national rugby team, to begin with, it's not ours. Uthiwa ayikubhizi ukudominate abelungu nama-Afrikaner ku-rugby, even though they're saying, hey, we gotta make other black people be part, just like rugby. Yeah. Fact of the matter is, we don't even own that team. We don't. It's crazy, bruh. Did we even win the cup? I think we just bought it. Maybe it was a distraction because they were making deals behind our backs, only to find out that we don't even own the thing. And then they make us look like, hey, we're fucking champions. We are winners. No, we're not. We are not. But who am I to say that, right? I'm sure what it's not.
Trejo Tebujo from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung